Hello, welcome back to my channel, YouTube ardimaspanji official. I will today making for the design Varsity jacket design. Let's check it out. Okay, this one for the design Varsity jacket. Look at that. This is for the design. The brand name SoChosen. Yes, SoChosen. This one on the back and then from the front view. This is always making for short files. Easy to use manufacturing process. Okay, you can see that. I will show you conversation for the order varsity jacket. Okay, like this. Okay, for this is for the conversation, and then short file, always easy to use manufacturing process. Okay, don't worry about the files. I'm making everything perfect for the manufacturing. Okay, I will go back for the design. This is for the brand name SoChosen, created in New Jersey and run across the globe. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, this is the brand. Okay. Okay. This is for the detail. Look at that. Yeah. This is my design. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel YouTube ardimaspanji official. If you want interested order to me, you can send me the message on the comment and below, or you can visiting my name ardimaspanji on the search Google. Don't worry, I can making for the design all the collection. Okay, thank you so much for watching again. Thank you. Bye bye.